In this video, I will show you how to change your LinkedIn background image. To do this, just go and open up LinkedIn, and I recommend doing this on your browser. And from here, just click on Me in the top right and click on View Profile. Then here you will see that currently I don't have a background image. So first to add one, just click on the camera icon right there and then click Edit Profile Background. And I'll just upload a thumbnail right here and then click Apply. So that's how you can add a background image. Then if you want to change or remove it, it's pretty much the same, but instead of a camera icon, it will now be an edit icon. So go and click on that. And from here, you can choose to delete the photo, or you can change the photo to a different one. And then once you upload that one, you will then see that image right here, and you can also apply that one. So that's how to change your background image on LinkedIn. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.